Hi, baby. I know, baby. Well, we love our dog so much, don't we? This channel was named after my first dog, Cookie, but this is Gracie. She's a rescue. I got her. She was they thought she was 7. My vet thought she was 5, but that would make her now between 12 and 14, and she's very sick. So I wanted to get some last video of her. Oh, hi, sweetheart. We just had some blood work done. The last few days have been odd. And she has indicators that she might have pancreatic cancer, something bad with the pancreas. So, yeah, she's been drinking water excessively for the last few days and doing this. So, oh, hi, sweetheart. You went, oops, we're out of focus. Hi, honey. Oh, I know, you just want a nap. So, yeah, we're going to have to put her down. There's nothing we can do, and she's unhappy. She's so unhappy. And we'll do that a couple days from when I'm filming this. So, found out today, but I didn't want to do it today. I wasn't ready. Tomorrow, I have something going on. So, the day after that, so sad. I can't imagine coming home and her not being there, or she goes with me on so many things. We have a doggy bag that I carry her in. Can go into a lot of stores. Hi, sweetheart. I know. She's been a trooper, though, for the last year or so, overcoming a couple health challenges. And you will miss her. Right, sweetheart? Aw, I'm sorry. So she can go greet Cookie in doggy heaven, if there is such a place. And just wanted to share that. And thank you for watching the occasional doggy videos I post here. And yeah, I hope to get another one, another small non-shedding female breed to replace this doggy, right? Well, it's kind of like replacing, but you're all hard to replace. You all have your own little personalities. Thank you. So this is the most sleepy she's been. Right? Such a pretty baby, though. Huh? Such a pretty baby. You were barking at the neighbor dog earlier while we were outside. Right? Right, you heard him barking, and then you had to bark a little bit. Great, I know. Do you want a puppy massage? Oh, you want a puppy massage? I know. And you'll eat the only thing you're eating now, your Stella and Chewy chicken heart treats. I know they're your favorite.